Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, kung napapansin nyo, magkaiba yung eye makeup ko. Kasi I tried this Naked Urban Decay Smoky. Ayan siya guys. So, nabili ko to siya sa Sephora ng sale, 80 SR lang. Kasi alam nyo naman ako guys, hindi ako mahilig mamili ng mga makeup essential na medyo mahal. And afford din naman, pero dyan muna tayo sa medyo mas mura-mura naman. So yan, nabili ko siya online sa Sephora. Kung gusto nyong malaman how to order dyan sa Sephora SA, yung kasamahan ko na vlogger din na si Kay, meron siyang vlog about sa details dyan sa how to order sa Sephora na dito sa Saudi Arabia. So yeah, ang nagustuhan ko dito guys sa palette na to is glass siya, transparent. Actually, hindi ko talaga ina-expect na ganito yung packaging niya. So, marble siya guys. Ayan. And then, at the back, nakalagay dito sa likod na 24 months after opening nga siya. And then, it was made in USA. So, yeah, I think matagal na nila tong ni-release. So, pero, ngayon lang natin nabili. Yeah, guys, I am going to show you yung mga swatches ng makeup palette na to. So, ganyan siya guys. Ang laki niya. And then, meron siyang mirror. Hindi ko pa natatanggal yung plastic na mirror niya. So, yan. And then, ang laki ng mirror niya guys. Yan o. Ang laki ng mirror niya. And then, meron siyang kasamang isang brush. This is the brush. So, yung brush niya is glass din siya. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda nung brush niya. So, merong meron siyang dense na brush, and then at the back, meron siyang parang blending brush, large na blending brush. Ayan. So, ito yung parang pang transition. So, ito yung parang sa mga shimmer. Pero, hindi ko siya ginamit kasi wala lang. And then, ang ganda ng brushes niya guys. Ang lambot. Kasi alam ko synthetic lang tong brush niya, pero ang ganda. Ganda ng brushes niya. And then, yeah, I'm going to show you the swatches. So, ito yung mga swatches ko, guys. Ayan yung sinwatch ko na kanina. So, parang sunod ko na siya. Yung ito, anong tawag dito? Actually, pwede ko tong gamiting highlighter, itong high. And then, yeah, ito yung kanilang swatches. So, hindi naman po ako professional na makeup artist guys. Gaya nyo, nag-practice din ako. So yeah, if you wanna know how I achieve this makeup eye, please keep on watching.
The best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. The best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh. You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, 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 oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
So yeah, mamaya start na pala ng Ramadan ngayon sa lahat-lahat po na magpo-fasting and sa mga Muslim entire the world. Happy Ramadan Kareem po sa inyong lahat. And sana, inshallah, biyayaan tayo ni Allah ng more blessing and more dua, guys. So yeah. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Maraming salamat. Sana mag-subscribe and mag-like mo naman tong video ko. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!